Hey friends, in this video we will learn how to think like Elon Musk, how Elon Musk makes decisions, what is the secret behind this genius, and how we can use this secret in our daily lives. So watch till the end because this can change your life forever. It is easy to link Elon Musk's rapid success, his ability to solve complex problems, and genius level of creativity to his incredible work ethics. Musk himself stated that he worked 100 hours a week for over 15 years and now scaled it down to 85 hours a week. But relax man, there are lots of people out there working extremely hard for more than 100 hours a week also. What then is the missing link guys for this kind of innovative and accelerated success? So in this video I am going to explain you this missing link, the first principles thinking, in just 3 steps. So in simple words, first principles thinking is a practice of actively questioning every assumptions that you think you know about a given scenario and then creating a knowledge and solutions from scratch. Whereas opposite of this is what most of us do, solving problems based on previous assumptions and knowledge, which simply means solving problems following the trend. For example, currently every e-commerce is following almost the same model, due to which they do not have any unique selling point, rather than giving huge discounts to retain their customers. So the first principles thinking will help you develop a unique worldview to innovate and solve difficult problems in a way that nobody else can. So step number 1, identify and define your current assumptions. You just need to write down all the assumptions you have regarding your problems or scenario. Let's try to understand with an example. I want to achieve my weight loss goals, but I don't have time to exercise, I don't have money to buy gym membership or hire a dietitian. So these are your assumptions about your problem, or say these are the obstacles. So write down all the assumptions you know regarding the problems. So step number 2 is break down the problem into its fundamental principles. Hear out what Elon Musk said about fundamental principles. It is important to view knowledge as a sort of semantic tree. Make sure you understand the fundamental principles, that is the trunk and the big branches, before you get into the leaves or the details, or there will be nothing to hang on to it. This simply means try to find out the basic truth or the basic element of anything. And the best way to uncover this truth is to ask powerful questions. Coming to our example, I want to achieve my weight loss goals. We already have our assumptions list ready. What everyone believes is for weight loss, we need gym, we need dietitian, we need lots of dedicated time. Is that true? Absolute no. So what you need is exercise, diet and some amount of self-control from your food cravings. This becomes your fundamentals. So the step number 3 is create new solutions from scratch. We have already identified the assumptions and found out the basic truth or the elements about our problems. Now using those, just find out another easy way to achieve your basic elements. For exercise, you can watch YouTube videos from Cult Fit Official and Ivan Rusukov. For diet, check out Luke Contino. And to kill your food cravings, check the video on the left. Don't miss out to subscribe for more innovative solutions for your daily life. Thank you.